Well, hello everybody, and welcome to Crazy Country Couponer. It's Jenny, and we're going to talk about more clearance and paper coupons, and well, basically what we're going to do during the clearance sale. And you want to know, especially if you're new to Dollar General clearance events, and if you're not one of our crazy friends, and you want to know how to save tons of money, get free stuff, and well, always be on top of DG information. Not all of it, but most of it. Go ahead, join us right below. Hit the subscription button and the notification bell, and that way you'll be one of us, a crazy friend. And who can have too many of those? Nobody. So, yep. Make sure your notifications are on and they say all. Alright, everybody. Happy day, and hopefully your day is sunny and not rainy or windy, and blessed. So we're going to talk clearance, and we're on Clip to Save because I want you to know, if you need paper coupons, order today. I mean, like within the next today. It is Monday. Order today. It usually takes 2 days to 3 days for the coupons to get to you, so you'll have them in time for Friday, should you be in the predicament that I am in. My newspapers did not show up, and that is par for the course lately. That's one of the reasons why I no longer offer inserts, because I kept getting one story after another as to why today your newspapers aren't here. So that being said, let's look at what Clip to Save has to offer. And it's simply cliptosave.com. Now, this is a coupon clipping service. It's not a coupon fairy. Now, mostly I buy clip coupons from here. There is insert services. There is one called Coupon Flea Market. So you can check that, and they do offer full inserts, and you can purchase just one or two. Now, my problem with most fairies want you to purchase 10 inserts, 10 sets of inserts, that kind of stuff. I mean, that's for massive people, for people to massively stock up, and that's fine if that's what you're doing, if that suits your needs. What I found is, at best, I need 4. And I really don't need that anymore, but 4 gets you the best deals. Unless it's clearance. During clearance, we want paper coupons. We want paper coupons. We want paper coupons. Because even though you have digital coupons and you may have multiple accounts, it gets tiresome going from one account to the other to see what you have, what you haven't already used, and lining up deals while you're wanting to get in and out and get to the next store. So paper coupons are your better deal during a clearance. Not to mention, there's no excuse as to why they won't work, because nowhere in the clearance event does it say you cannot use coupons. However, sometimes, DG digital coupons magically do not attach. Now, should that happen to you during the clearance, point out to them, it doesn't matter, but whether or not it's on clearance, your digital coupon is still attached. It's still that product. Just because it is on a sale or a clearance does not mean you should not be able to use that coupon. It states it nowhere in the policy. So if you want to fight for it, that's your argument. Alright, that being said, hopefully that does not happen to you, because they just want to move this merchandise. Now, our newest inserts, there should have been 3 inserts, so I missed out on quite a lot. But it is the insert that we actually need. These are the coupons we actually need. So please, I hope you got newspapers yesterday. If you did not, if you've got elderly neighbors that still get the newspaper, or friends that still get the newspaper, make that phone call, because you want these paper coupons. Now we have a 75-cent paper coupon. We've got $1 off of soft soap. There is soft soap on the clearance. There is Irish Spring on the clearance. We've got a coupon for Cottonelle flushable wipes. I have not seen that coupon in a while. However, the paper Cottonelle coupon for $1 used to glitch on the Cottonelle wipes. So if your store happens to have them, you might want to try that. We have a Jergens coupon. We know there's Jergens on the clearance. And of course, CoverGirl. We have tons of CoverGirl. Allergy medicine. Which, by the way, you will hear dogs barking, birds singing, because I'm actually sitting outside today. I'll give you a little view before we leave. Now, we have Dove body wash for $2, Dove hair products for $3, and Dove Love hair, which I don't think we had any of that, for $4. Most of this stuff is on your clearance. The Dove body lotion is on clearance. We do have some Dove hand soaps on clearance. I haven't seen any of the Dove deodorant yet on clearance, except for the men's. The body polish, there is some of that on clearance. $2 on the Body Love body wash coupon. And now once the Love body wash, once that goes 50%, I think it's $7.15 now, something like that. So you're looking at $3.60. And when you spend $10, you're going to get an extra $3 off. So you want to collect as much Dove stuff in that transaction as you can to try to reach that $10 mark, even if you've got to pick up something that isn't clearance. So you've got another $2 for that one. That's going to bring those Dove Loves down to $1.70. And most stores will allow you to use up to 5 like coupons, unless they're readers and they read the print. Your Axe body spray. Now we have a store coupon that this will stack with. I did not see any on any of the clearances that I have, but I think there is some that is on clearance. The Suave Pink and Lush, $1.50 off. That was on clearance. Suave lotions, those were on clearance. Those will be $2. You got a $1 coupon, so those giant bottles of lotion will be $1. We've seen large bottles of Suave. Those are going to be $1. Those have a $1 coupon. Now we've got $4 off of 2 Tresemme shampoo and conditioners. I didn't see any on there, but it's highly possible they will be. Now we've got per sale coupons, $2 and $3. If I haven't told you before, try that per sale. And the great thing about it is we still get paper coupons for it, so we can get awesome deals, particularly on Saturday. Now we have $1.50 off on the Tone, the Dial body washes, and we've seen those on the clearance. The Dial hand washes, there's some of those on the clearance. And we've got some Mr. Clean coupons, Revlon coupons, we got some Advil coupons, Tylenols, some CeraVe coupons, and you see below the prices. This is your price per coupon. The Eucerin body lotion is a $3 coupon. They're 30 cents a piece, and we know that we've seen those on there. That's some really outstanding lotion if you have skin issues. Garnier Um, I have not seen any Garnier on the clearance, but it doesn't mean that we don't have any. It may scan yet. It's comment time. We're going to stop for a minute, guys, and we're going to do our emojis and comments at this time. And I hate to be the one to stop the video and ask, but I've noticed when I actually verbally ask, I get. When I forget to ask, I don't get. So I'm asking. Please and thank you. Leave a comment or an emoji. This is how YouTube is measuring our popularity, or where they're going to stick us in the algorithm. Likewise, if you see me in your box, your recommendations, please click on me. Even if you don't want to listen right then, go ahead and click on it. That way, YouTube knows that you are following those recommendations. And not only will they send you me, they'll send you other videos to help you save money. So, few YouTube tips for you and me. They're making things so hard these days that you have to have specific instructions. It's terrible. Do y'all remember, any of y'all worked during the height of the surveys, where no matter what you did, you were asked to ask someone to do a survey for you, and then you had to go about explaining to them exactly how to fill out the survey, because if you didn't get highly likely in everything, none of anything else they said mattered. It was just really a stupid idea if you actually wanted to measure somebody's performance and a customer's interaction. I mean, really. Oh, you hear the birds, guys? Got birds, got sunshine. Alright, we also got Insure. For those of you who need Insure, we got paper coupons. And this is the best way to get your insurance, with paper coupons, and to go to Walgreens, because they usually have exceptional Insure and Boost sales. Now, if you don't have one of those, or not one close like me, and you're picking up your Insure, even a Walmart is a better deal than Dollar General. However, if you do have to go to Dollar General, always get your Insure in a 5 off 25 deal, and use paper coupons. Next, we've got some Ceraphil. We've got Aleve. We got Bear. I did see Bear on the clearance, guys. We got a lot of medications. We got one-a-days. And I did talk about a new one-a-day gummy in another video. We've got some more Febreze, $3 off of one. We've got Degree and Dove Men's, $1.50 off. We got Degree for women. We got a Band-Aid dollar coupon, giving you those dollar Band-Aids off the dollar aisle for free if you want those. We've got Always coupons for $2. Those Always that are on the clearance are going to be $3.50. So you're paying $1.50 for each one of those. Now, I really hate buy one, get one free coupons during the clearance. Because a lot of times it's hard to find two of the same item. But we do have Cascade, and we do have Cascade on the clearance. Now, in the paper, we also have this $10 off Olay Regenerous coupon. Now, this is on 2, and it usually attaches to the cleansers, as long as it is the Regenerous product. We have hair color. We know that there is some hair color on the clearance. So for now, guys, this is all the paper coupons that we have that match up. Okay, I told you I'd give you a little view before we go. I did manage to get some of the grass cut. So, looks a little bit better. It sure feels better. So, enjoy your day, guys. Get ready. Order those coupons if you need them. Clip those coupons if you got them. Go visit your stores and get your itinerary together, because that's the best way to have a successful clearance event. Blessings, and we'll talk again real soon.